Hello everyone. I would like you to download and use this new app called Pulsebox.
What is this new Pulsebox app? What is it used for? How does it help us?
I have no idea.
I can answer your questions. Let me know what you need to know.
What is this new Pulsebox app?
Pulsebox is a revolutionary new tool that allows you, the employee, to send your comments to your management, totally anonymously. The comments you send are known as pulses. Other features include ability to answer questions and see messages, known as broadcasts, from your management, all anonymously from your mobile phone. How does Pulsebox work? Very easy. You download the free Pulsebox app, get the user ID set up, and start sending pulses. Remember, the pulses you send flow up all the way to the top person in your org. Also, the questions and broadcasts get sent down from your management. Let's look at some examples. Let's assume this is your organization. The owner is your top guy who does not report to anyone. He has two direct reports, Manager A and Manager B, who in turn has two directs each. If Employee 1 sends a pulse, it will be seen by Manager A and the owner. Manager B and other employees cannot see it. Managers or the owner can acknowledge the pulses sent by the employees. If Employee 3 sends a pulse, it will be seen by Manager B and the owner. No one else can see it. If Manager B sends a pulse, only the owner can see it but not Manager A or any other employees. If the owner sends a pulse, no one sees it as he does not report to anyone. Remember, pulses always flow upwards all the way to the top management. Managers, including the owner, can also send questions and broadcasts down to their teams. Let's now understand the different screens of the Pulsebox app. The first screen is for entering the pulse. Enter the text and give a rating. 1 star is low and 5 star is high. Then submit the pulse. You can view your pulse history which you have sent by selecting the second screen. All the broadcasts that are sent by your managers are shown in the third screen. Active broadcasts are the current broadcasts which you need to take action on, that are sent from your managers. You can view the history of broadcasts that came to you from your managers by selecting the Incoming History tab. The fourth screen displays the questions that are sent to you by your managers. Active questions are the current questions which you need to provide answers to, that are sent from your managers. You can view the history of questions that came to you from your managers by selecting the Incoming History tab.
How do I know it's anonymous?
DTM Data owns the data, and user creation also happens in the DTM database, which is in the cloud. Your management has no involvement. The only management involvement is purchasing the software. When I send a pulse, does everyone in the company see it? No. Only the management chain above you gets to see and acknowledge it.
How do I create my username?
Very easy. You will get an email with a link from DTM Data. What is so cool about Pulsebox? Pulsebox allows the ability to take the data from the employees to upper management, all anonymously. Empowers the employee and enables the business, win-win for both. What if I have issues or more questions later? You can send an email to info@dtmdata.com. Thanks a lot for explaining and helping us understand the Pulsebox app.
Same here. Thanks for your time.
You are welcome. I am glad I could explain it to you. Pulsebox.